Hey guys, Josh here from Clean and Shiny, here to kick off our week of kits with some new detailing bundles. This is a 2-product kit from P&S featuring Brake Buster and Iron Buster. So we first saw this combination being used by Jamie the Cleaner over on YouTube. He's a detailer from the USA. He was just adding a little bit of the Iron Buster into his Brake Buster mix to just give it a bit more bite. So we dilute our Clean Buster into an IK eFoam 12 for foaming wheel cleaning at the following dilutions. Starting off, you want to grab your IK Foam 12 and put in a gallon or 3.78 litres of water. You want to get your Brake Buster and do 1.18 litres. Then you want to grab your Iron Buster and fill in half the bottle of that, so it's 237 ml or 8 ounces. This combination here, through a foaming pump, is going to give you a nice consistent and strong foam to clean your wheels with. Big thanks to Jamie the Cleaner over on YouTube for putting us onto this dilution and this product essentially. So there we have it. You can grab yourself a gallon of Brake Buster, a 16 ounce of Iron Buster on our website now, and I've put on a cheeky little discount for you as well. Keep it clean and keep it shiny.